Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to earn money from GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GoDaddy, where we can get started with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner, go ahead and log in. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by the main page where we can get started with searching for a domain name, we can find products and so on. So let's go and see how to earn money from GoDaddy. Basically guys, to be able to earn money from GoDaddy, we need to get started with getting some products. So go ahead and scroll down right here to get started with finding products. If you do not already have any, we can go ahead and get started, and now here are all the products that we can get started with using. So here we can get started with setting up domains that we want to use for our website that can generate us revenue. We have our websites and hosting and so on. And basically guys, if you want to withdraw your money after you have started using GoDaddy, you want to go to your account right here in the upper right corner and go to account settings. After opening up account settings, you want to scroll down and select your default currency so that you'll be able to withdraw your money after you have earned it from GoDaddy. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.